You are now looking at a combustion chamber of a diesel engine from the bottom of the cylinder through a special piston. The piston is made of a transparent material so that you can see what goes on inside the cylinder. The film is taken at very high speed so that we can freeze the frame at some critical moments of combustion. The valves are also visible through the transparent piston. The injection nozzle is located here at the center. Let's run the previous scene more slowly so we can see more details. The fuel is injected into the cylinder from the nozzle. The fuel mist spreads out and ignites. The flames spread out in the cylinder. The fuel injection ends here, but the unburned fuel continues to burn. Combustion in a diesel engine starts and ends in